Hello children, how are you? Today, myself Sanjay Kumar, chemistry expert, I decided that I have to make a video for assessment region of a alkyl halide. Understand? First of all, I would like to invite you that on my new quantum classes, you have to first of all subscribe my channel, new quantum classes, and I hope that you will like my video and you will share also this video with your friends. Today, children, I would like to tell you that I decided that I have to make a SSN region separate video for a SSN region. Next time I will give you another video for the SSN region because SSN regions are dependable on totally theoretical knowledge. That is why I decided that is some question I have to include in this video. So there are 10 questions, 10 SSN region I will discuss. And first of all, I would like to explain the points which are given over here. Some instructions are over here. There are 5 instructions. Before going to discussion the question or assessment and region of alkyl halides of 12th class chemistry, this is very benefited for the 12th class chemistry students. Those are appearing today now first term examination of CBSE board or other board, because syllabus is same, so there is no problem. It's a mental separation, mental disturbance, that other kind of boards have a different, but most of boards have a same topics. So let's start. What is given over here? The question given below consists of a assertion and reason. Use the following key to choose the appropriate answer. For giving the answer, we have a 5 points. Number 1 point is that if both assertion and region are correct and a region is correct explanation of a assertion. So B, if both assertion and region are correct but region is not a correct explanation of assertion, then if C point C, we will write if assertion is correct, but region is incorrect. For D, if assertion is incorrect but region is correct. Fifth, if both assertion and region are incorrect, in that way what will happen? We will take the E. So there are 4 answers, A, B, C, D, E. I hope that you understand the instructions. Now from first SSN region I have to start. Okay, let's start. First one, what is given over here? Addition of Br2 to but1ene gives 2 optical isomer. That's fine. First of all, let me make you one structural formula. So what is C but1ene? C double bond C, single bond C, single bond C. This is the but1ene. So I don't need to write the fulfill the valency of the carbon. This is sufficient. If we add Br2, understand that? So there are 2 Br over here. So the 2 Brs are just add with this carbon, Br with this carbon as well as with this carbon, then carbon. So this is given 2 optical isomer. That's fantastic. That is true. First of all, you understand that what is the optical isomerism? Optical isomerism means spatial arrangement of the molecule or chiral carbon in a plane polarized light. Plane polarized light we get from the polarimeter. Okay. Now second one, region. Second one sentence is a region. The product contains one asymmetric carbon. That's true. Fantastic. That's why the A option is correct. It means that assertion is correct sentence as well as region also correct, and region is a correct explanation of assertion. Now we have to move on second assertion. In second assertion, aryl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution. a reaction with ease. That's not true, because whenever we make a formula of benzene, chlorobenzene, here chlorine is attached with carbon atom. This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, and chlorine is having a 6 lone pair. These lone pairs goes in the I think this one resonance. So what is happening? You are observing that 2 lone pairs and 1 positive charge double bond carbon. So there will be a 1 double bond, है ना, 1 double bond character is produced or lone pairs are over here. So if we are observing in over here carbon having double bond with chlorine atom, that's why this one sentence is not correct, because they are saying that aryl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction, but you can understand that that's not true, because double bond, the atom which is connect with double bond, that atom cannot replace by another atom. That's why that's not true. So if now let's me see that what is about the reason. The carbon carbon halogen bond in aryl halide has, what is happening, oh God. car okay carbon halogen bond in aryl halide has a partial double bond. That's fantastic. I have earlier discussed. Okay, now so the answer is capital D. Means first point assertion is correct, assertion is not correct, and reason is correct. So D is the correct option. Now we have to move on third one, assertion. Addition of Br2 to trans-but2-ene, trans-but2-ene. So first of all make a structure of trans-but2-ene. This is a trans-but2-ene. This is the CS3, this is also CS3, this is the trans-but2-ene. Understand that? The question is saying that whenever Br2 is attached, Br2, one Br is attached over here, one Br attached over here, and yield become a 2,3 dibromo-butane. That's fine. We will obtain this kind of compound. So that compound, now think about the reason. So that sentence is correct. And second one, reason, bromine addition to an alkene is an electrophilic substitution, electrophilic addition reaction. That is correct sentence. That's why the option B is a correct for this assertion as well as this reason. See that? Now we have to move on question number 4. In question number 4, assertion is that benzene bromide, when kept in acetone water, it produces benzyl alcohol. What is producing? What is happening? Benzyl alcohol is producing. And if we see the reason, so we see that the reaction follows SN2 mechanism. I would like to make it clear that benzyl bromide, when benzyl bromide, so this is the benzyl CS2Br. Okay, let me correctly draw this diagram, draw this molecule. This is the benzyl chloride, but if we attach Br, then okay. So here what is happening, this is the bulkier group of the phenyl, okay, and Br also bulkier. So formation of transition state TS, which is formed in SN2 mechanism, that's not possible. That's why we have to see that only SN1 reaction is possible. Only SN1 reaction is possible. That's why we have to see that only SN1 reaction is possible. So for the SN1 reaction, the second one sentence totally incorrect. Okay, This is incorrect. Second one portion is assertion region is incorrect. So we know that according to instruction, the C option is correct. For the question number 4, C option is correct. Now we have to think about question number 5. Question number 5. In question number 5, what is happening? Assertion: nucleophilic substitution of vinyl chloride is difficult than ethyl chloride. Nucleophilic substitution of vinyl chloride is difficult than ethyl chloride. Okay, let's see. Nucleophilic substitution reaction of vinyl chloride difficult than ethyl chloride. That's fine. That point is very fantastic. This sentence is correct. Let me draw the diagram. Yeah, let me draw the structural diagram or bond structure of a vinyl halide. This is the carbon and this is the hydrogen, this one. So what is happening when we are observing that chlorine is attached to sp2 iodide carbon atom, this one, that's why this is known as a vinyl halide. So due to the electron rich atom is present at this first one carbon atom, this chlorine gives one lone pair and this single bond become a double bond. Understand that? In that way, what is happening? This double bond has been break down and negative charges start appearing on this carbon. So that's why we can say that this chlorine cannot replace or substitute by another nucleophile. That's why vinyl group is electron donating group is vinyl group is not a electron donating group. So option C is correct answer of fifth assertion and region. Now we have to move on to question number 6. See the question number 6 and think about the assertion what is given over here. So assertion is that tert butyl bromide undergo tertiary butyl bromide. This is the tertiary butyl CS3 butyl bromide. So we are observing that one carbon is attaching with 3 carbon CS3 function group. Understand that? And one bromine atom is attached to central atom. So this is called a tert butyl undergo SN1 nucleophilic substitution reaction readily and butyl bromide. Means easily takes place. Why this is happening? Because after the elimination of Br atom, earlier we were observing sp3 hybridization, but as Br eliminate, okay, so this whole tertiary butyl carbocation is formed. That is very good one question. I think molecule. In this molecule, very easily nucleophile attack from above the plane or the below the plane. Nucleophile can attack from above the plane as well as from below the plane. Understand that? So this one thing is very fantastic. Now question number, so the option A is correct option for the 6th assertion and reason. Now 7th assertion: ethanol gives iodoform test while methanol does not. Why it is happening? First one sentence assertion is totally correct. Now think about the second one point, reason. Ethanol is less reactive than methanol toward nucleophilic addition reaction. That's very fantastic. That's a good sentence. Understand that? Ethanol is less reactive than methanol toward the nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why this one, the resistance to the nucleophilic substitution reaction, the assertion is correct while the reason also correct, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. That's why B is option of a B is the option, correct option of the 7th. Now we have to move on. 8th question. In 8th question, what is happening? Assertion 1-idopropane. What is the 1-idopropane? Let me draw this. This one is a 1-idopropane. Everybody knows that here these bonds are satisfied by hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is the one propane, understand? Now second one 1-idopropane. This is the, and 2-idopropane are chain isomer. And second one molecule you can easily draw. This one is just 2-idopropane, idopropane. Understand? These are the chain isomer. No, these are not a chain isomer. These are position isomerism. This one is a first position of carbon. This one is a second position of carbon. That's why this is a position isomer. It means that assertion is incorrect. Well, let's see what is happening with the reason. These differ in the position of iodine in the carbon chain. In a carbon chain, it means that assertion is correct and region is a assertion is incorrect. And region is correct. So D option is a correct answer. Understand? Now let's see. Okay, bromine. 9th, 2-bromobutane reaction with sodium ethoxide in ethanol gives 1-butane as the major product. So it means that this sentence also incorrect. Region 1-butane is more stable than 2-butane. No, that is also incorrect. So for the 9th, E option is correct. It means both assertion and region are incorrect sentences. Now we have to move on 10th question. That's last assertion region. Assertion is that alkyl iodide can be prepared by treating alkyl chloride bromide with a NaI acetone. Reason is that NaCl and NBr are soluble in acetone, but Na is not soluble. Okay, so first one assertion is correct, but region is not correct. That's why the option C is correct answer of the 10th assertion and region. Children, how are you feeling? Whenever you open the video, start playing the video of a new quantum classes, first of all you have to do bring with you have to be one register and one pen, and just be careful and serious about, and you can just speed double in a double speed you can understand the video. So later I will think about the assertion region of another chapter. I hope that you enjoy the video and assertion region. Actually I make you understand, explain each and every assertion region with the help of the writing. Okay, I hope that you enjoy. So again, welcome back to new quantum classes, and you have to share, and I hope that you will see all the videos regarding the alkyl halides. I will provide you all the links in the description box of this video, so you will see at one moment all the videos regarding the alkyl halides. There are several videos and you will enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.